What is up, you guys? My name is Maria. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I just wanted to share with you all a little mini vlog of my friend Daisy and I's adventure over the weekend. We visited Schilter farm. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but it's located in Nisqually, Washington, and I go every single year. I just love it there. It's super family friendly. Great spot to take pictures with your family or just yourself. They have a pumpkin patch, of course, corn maze. This year they introduced the sunflower field and I love it. You can buy stems and of course pumpkins, and they have, did I already say corn maze? They have the corn maze, and then the petting zoo and a mini maze, hay maze for the children and adults as well, but mostly targeted towards the children. Of course they have everything else that you can find, like carameled apples, corn for sale, pumpkins for sale, of course, and all the goodies, like popcorn and such. So I highly recommend you go check it out. Hope you enjoy. Cuando le tratas de llegar. Ay, ay, ¿qué? Pulgo. ¿Tiene pulga?
Dice no.
No, yo no tengo pulga. Ah, mira, ponies. Ponies.
Oh, ponies. ¿Qué pone? Oh, kidding.
Huelen gacho. I can't see. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute.
Fotos ahí en esa casa are really nice.
Yeah, I
Really to go there. En el puente mirando hacia y tomando la foto de allá hacia acá.
Yeah.
Really, really cool.
That's true.
Uy, güey, no mira que para acá hay más.
En el vlog de hoy, Daisy está tratando de encontrar su primera calabaza.
Bueno. 5 horas después, she can't find
5 horas después.
It's only like 2 hours.
Have we been here 2 hours?
No.
Mira todas las calabazas.
La flor de calabaza para las quesadillas.
Are you serious? ¿Esa es?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yo no sabía.
¿Están tan buenas, María? ¿Las venden aquí?
No creo, las han de tirar. Yeah.
No saben que es bueno.
Y creo que no, ¿eh? Sí, sí. Se la encontró. Disque. Okay.
I found it.
She says she found a pumpkin. Are you gonna take it?
Yeah.
Really?
So round, so pretty.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh, we should have brought a barrel. Do you want to go bring a barrel and I'll stay here?
O me la llevo cargada.
Are you sure?
¿Está toda bien de todos lados?
Damn, yeah, that is.
Okay.
Yeah, that is. You just have to wash it a little. That's good.
Okay.
The whole... Yay, she found a pumpkin. Oh my gosh!
¿Te llevas mi cámara para poder?
Oh, yeah, yeah. What are friends for? I'm gonna start vlogging.
Yes. Ay, es que siento que hay más. What if es otra más bonita? Can I just check real quick? Okay.
Look at the stain on your shirt.
It's okay.
It's okay. She gonna go find another pumpkin. I'm carrying her camera. This is so funny. So we went to the sunflowers over there. We haven't gone to the corn maze because we're probably gonna get lost. So we're not gonna do that. But we took a lot of cute pictures. So this is the Schilter farm. If you haven't gone here, highly recommend. This is free to come and get a pumpkin. Huh?
Should I get one that is still attached?
I think almost all of them are probably detached.
You think so?
Yeah, they probably came out here and just cut them so that you could take them. Oh, Daisy, this is a
That one there?
this is perfect.
That's pretty. I made like this one too.
Are you really trying to take it off the ground?
Yeah, that's too heavy.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This was it, right? Yeah. I'm just protecting her pumpkin. You can take one more?
Yeah.
Okay. My girl's going crazy. The bottom though is kind of like,
Oh.
but it has the perfect stem. That one has a perfect stem.
Ay, que la voz de acá no se ve tan bonita.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Se ve like... It's so good. Te voy a llevar porque estás fea. No, now nobody wants you. Come on.
Do you want one that's bigger? Like,
No, this is good.
okay. She's so indecisive about the pumpkin. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. The little pumpkin.
And then they fall.
Girl, don't fall.
And the pumpkin's over.
When your mom asks, what happened? She was really excited about her first pumpkin. And boop. Oh my god, that is such a cute picture. Hold on.